show you how I like to leave a little ridge for mine. Some of you might have seen my video on Instagram just sewing a different jumper up, and what I like to do is just sew through the back loop so that the front loop leaves a nice ridge along the front. You don't have to do this, I just find it feels neater for me. I like the look of it, so I'm just going to sew the corner in first, corner to corner. So I'm leaving this bit here, sewing straight into the corner before I start. Just move this a little bit. So I'm going to sew along the edge here. You don't worry about back loops and front loops because there are none, but here I only want to grab the back loop, which is this one here, and I'm just doing a basic whip stitch, grabbing the back loop there, popping out, and I'll show you the effect I'm going for. And through the back loop, and it's a really basic whip stitch, nothing fancy, just making sure your right sides are facing, just so that you're ending up doing it. And I'm just going in through the back loop, leaving the front loop free. I'm going to go all the way up like this to the top, all the way up to the top. Sleeve here and matches up with the shoulder. I'll just show you the effect that I'm looking for. I flip it over and you've got a really neat ridge along here, which to me just works out nice and neatly, whereas without it I feel like it sometimes looks a little wonky. That's just my personal opinion.